What's up, guys? Today I'm playing Dungeon Quest. Oh my god. Event. So it says two times XP, 2 times gold, 1+1 item drop, and other stuff. I think I'm back. Wait. Okay, hi. Why does this always happen to me? I don't like it. Oh. +1 item drop. Increased legendary drop rate. Cosmic candy shop. And candy by completing dungeons. Limited time boss fight there. Now the candy's probably really expensive. Daily reward. Okay. Oh my, look what I got. I got thunder. Okay. Let me get a situation. Look what I found. I found a ghoul slicer. A ghoul slicer? Slayer. Look, it says a ghoul slayer. Okay. Look. I'm replacing it with this. So, look, it's got a ghoul slayer. Okay. Look. You think I should replace it? Yeah, because I can upgrade it to spell power, yeah, sure. And also, you can upgrade it 15 times. It's a lot. It's big. Come here. Oh my, come here, Jen. Come here. I don't know what to do. Reward. Remember? It's near spawn. It's right next to the spawn. The spawn. Look, you want me to show you my thunder? Armor! I already have that. It's really bad. Look at my thunder ability there. I do. Oh. But good, Spellman. Look behind you. Look behind you. Ajin, look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you, Jaden. What? Look behind you. Oh, I look nice. Look behind you. What? I'll show you my thunder move. I'll show you. Look at me. You looking at my face? Yeah. Look at that. I love the color. Alright, you can look at my screen. Look. I'll show you. Look. That's what I look like. Look, I'll show you what what's supposed to look like. Shoots lightning forward. It's really good. Let me upgrade it to spell power. Upgrade. Wait, my inventory. I'll upgrade my sword. I got new armor now. Now time to play. Time to play. It's time to play. I'm at level 25. What level are you? What level are you, Haven? 27. 27? About 2 more levels above me. How many more XP do you need? Okay, that, guys, will end it for today. I just wanted to get a reward. Peace. Bye-bye.